Okay, so that's our salon. It's next to Hillsboro and 441, where's the BJ's. It's a beautiful plaza with plenty of parking. Don't have to worry about parking. And it's our salon in the kind of middle of the plaza. In the middle, you can see say salon on the top, and you can see maybe some signs outside. I don't know if you guys familiar with Diamond Botox. Diamond Botox treatment. It's not a relaxer or straightener. It's a pure treatment for damage, for hair loss, and etc. Those things like you have a hair loss, your hair is fine, or your hair is blonde, or dry. So Diamond Botox is amazing. It takes up to 1 hour to do it, but lasts up to 5 weeks. But it doesn't change the strength of your hair, and doesn't change the structure. Keep the structure, but maybe a little bit moisturizer, restructure, and make it very nice, kind of like in healthy wise. Okay, lasts up to 5 to 4 weeks. Well, first time clients we have about $59 to $98 for a single process. It's up to full head color. Sometimes we like to do the color from A to Z to match the color, and we like to do also offer you same time to try us with a blow dry for $38. You can try us. I think it's a reasonable price to try us. If you like it, then we have packages. Let me show you our packages. I think that you're gonna like about our packages. So there are packages. You can buy 3 blowout packages, 5 blowout packages, or 10 by blowout packages. So if you do 10 blowout packages, it comes to $35.99. If you get 5, it comes to $37. If you do 3, it comes to $39.99. Then we have hair color package. The hair color package also very convenient. We have plenty of customers. They love those packages and makes sense to them. You purchase one time, then you can come often when you want. It's already in the system. Your color in the system, your formula in the system. Or our product made in Italy, United States, in beautiful countries who has very strong experience with the product. So my job is as a hairdresser of 25 years going to the trade shows and pick up the best manufacturers around the world for our brand. Everything we have here is made from top ingredients. All right, top ingredients. I choose by myself as a hairdresser. The reason why, because I've been doing hair for 25 years. I said I want to make sure what goes on our customers' hair. We want to make sure where they have it. For me, that's why I go to manufacturing. I choose my own ingredients by myself, and I can tell you the smells and the ingredients are so healthy. People who know those lines, they can vote for it. Then we have hair extensions. The hair extensions, we have all the types for tapes, wefts, wavy, curly, you just name it. We have all the colors, we have all of them. It's a Russian hair. It's coming from Russia, and some hair coming from different countries, but majority of them from Europe. And we can reuse this hair up to 6 to 7 times. Then we have a new hair technique. We can share that with you soon. I want to share with you the new technique.